It's the Power 93.7 WBLK and KeyBank Money Minute with Yasmin Young.
All right, so we're getting ready for Juneteenth next week, the 16th and 17th. If you're a small business owner, though, listen up. There's going to be a free seminar right before Juneteenth, and Kawanza Humphrey, VP of KeyBank, is here with all the details.
Yes, Yasmin. So KeyBank's African American KeyBank Business Impact and Networking Group is hosting a free small business seminar as part of Juneteenth's 2018 Sankofa Days celebration. The seminar is scheduled to take place on Tuesday, June 12th at 5:30 p.m. at the Main Street Gallery, which is located at 515 Main Street in Buffalo. We'll have some panelists there with lots of information and resources for current and aspiring entrepreneurs. Attendees will have the opportunity to learn about financing options and tips on launching or running their business from Pathstone Business Enterprise Center, Excelsior Growth Fund, Jumpstart, an organization talking about the importance of minority and women business enterprise certifications, and of course, KeyBank. We'll also have some light food and beverages.
All right, we've got all of the details if you're interested on our website right now at WBLK.com.
For more in-depth information and resources, visit WBLK.com.
Cash count stacks, the #1 station in town. On the money.